In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to eBay, how to download order history. By the end, you'll have a clean spreadsheet of your past purchases that you can sort, filter, and keep for your records. First, open your preferred web browser and head to ebay.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before you go any further. If you're not already logged in, use your usual sign-in method and confirm you see your account menu at the top of the page. For the smoothest experience, do this on a trusted device and an up-to-date browser. Once you're on the homepage and signed in, move to the upper right corner and click My eBay. In the drop-down, choose Purchase History. This takes you to a page that lists everything you've bought on the platform, including order details, prices, and timestamps. If the layout looks slightly different from what you're used to, don't worry. eBay occasionally updates the interface, but the My eBay link and Purchase History option remain the quickest path. Next, refine the list to the time period you need. Look for the date range dropdown near the top of the purchase history page. You can select past 30 days for recent orders, past 60 days if you need a little more coverage, or past year to capture a broader window. If you see a custom range option, choose it to specify exact start and end dates, which is helpful for quarterly reports, reimbursements, or tax records. Give the page a moment to refresh so the results match your selection. Now you're ready to download. On the purchase history page, look for a button or link labeled Download Report or Export. Click it, and when prompted to choose a format, select CSV. CSV, or comma-separated values, is a simple, widely compatible file type that opens in tools like Microsoft Excel, Apple Numbers, or Google Sheets. Confirm your choice, then click Download. Your browser will save the file, typically to your Downloads folder, unless you've set a different location. If your browser asks where to save it, pick a folder you'll remember. After the download completes, open the file in your preferred spreadsheet app to view your orders. You can sort by date, filter by item name, or total up costs for budgeting and record keeping. Keep the original CSV as your master copy so you can always revert if you make changes in the spreadsheet. That's it. You visited eBay, navigated to purchase history, set the right date range, and exported your orders as a CSV you can use anywhere. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.